Yo, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm actually vlogging. Okay, we're getting straight into this. There's no cap and never lacking type deal. It's Tuesday at like 8:30. Me and my brother, you probably asked why the background is black. Well, I'm moving. Me and him are packing my shit right now. My other brother who's moving with me is on the mine. So I got half of his shit in here and all of mine. We're about to load the Sea-Doo up on the trailer, pull it out, and then unhook it, back the truck back in, roll my fire pit up, put my desk in here, put a bunch of other shit in here, but we're like loaded up to the max in here, and I still have a computer and 2 screens, a TV, an Xbox. Oh god. Alright, so we're currently packed everything. It's the next day. My buddy helped me yesterday. Now I got the truck literally fully freaking packed. Like, I've never had a truck so packed in my life. I have almost all my shit besides my ring light, like a few vapes. That's about it probably. And like maybe a pillow or two, but truck's fully loaded. I got my Sea-Doo. Literally got everything I need for my room and everything back here in the living room, and my TV, cushions, and literally clothes and just everything I possibly could need, and shoes. Saying I don't really want to make the trip back today if I did forget something, so I might as well bring absolutely everything. Now it's gonna be time to reveal the house. I'll do a little time lapses of me driving. I just gotta grab my final stuff and then we'll hit a time lapse of me driving. But someone is pulling up to my house right now. Right here. But I just need my chair stand, which can go in the box. And I believe my vape, my water, and my chair stand. Only bad thing is there's no internet there right now. But yeah, we have another car full of stuff. So we'll go ahead and throw this in the truck and then I guess hit the Randy Road and reveal the house when I get there. Too bad I'm not bringing my car this time. My dad comes home tomorrow. Same with my buddy who's moving in with me. And why does that fender look so pulled? And there's just no tire filling it. That's strange. Weird angle. It doesn't really look like that on the other side. But my dad's gonna bring me this out on like Friday probably. So yeah, let's get going. I wanna get there.
On the beat.
My buddy was dealing with talking to the guy, and I was supposed to be here for 11:30 to get the like, code and the keys for everything and go through everything, and he ended up having to leave. So when I got here, I didn't know he wasn't gonna be here today till the weekend. And I literally have a full truck with everything, and I work tomorrow first thing, so it's like I can't go home and then I won't have anything, right? And finally I got his number, got in touch with him, he gave me the code, and welcome to my house. This place is savage. It's literally, the lake is just on the other side, so we just walk across and we have the lake and a dock and everything. I live in the country at my parents' place. That's where I've been living. When I was 17, I moved down to the city, lived in an apartment. I couldn't handle it, and I was gonna move back to Winnipeg, but then I was just like, you know what? I love the country. And then we have this huge hot tub. I have a hot tub at my parents' house, but it's not anywhere near as nice as this one. Which is like, this thing's got lights in it and everything, and it's beyond beautiful. I will show you guys the house real quick, and then I'm gonna start packing stuff, or bringing stuff in. So this is my room, right here. Master bedroom. Me and my friend are sharing the house, so he's mining, so he's gone 2 weeks at a time. And he's only here for 2 weeks, so I'm taking a big room. Plus I moved everything in. So in my room, I got this little sunroom type deal. And I don't know where the lights are for anything in here. This is my room. Walk-in closet. Got a bathroom with a few things in it. So these doors would close, right, for my bedroom. Sorry if this video's over, I'm just overly excited right now. TV stand. I guess my computer and stuff will probably go in my room, or I could put it in this room. This room's pretty soundproof. Living room, wood stove. This is not a house. This is a cabin that was for sale, and we got it for rent. So that's why there's like shit like that. Kitchen. I don't know what's in here. I don't know if we get anything. Uh-oh, it's not looking too promising. Plates. There's like none. Oh, he didn't even do all the dishes. So not cups? There's cups. Okay. We're getting somewhere. We're getting places. Pantry? Oh, you left me pretzels. What's in the fridge though is the real question. Okay. Ginger ale, that's what I drink. There's milk. Fucking worms for fishing. Small ass freezer. So, when you walk in the main door, you know, it's pretty big. It's a cabin. It's for two of us, pretty well for me. Then we got the bathroom, which has another shower in it, so 2 full-size bathrooms. So this would be Luke's, probably, most likely, because, yeah. And then, he can choose one of the rooms. Here's one room. Like, it's not small, they're not big, but they're huge beds, huge roofs. And then there's this room, which is a bit smaller than the other room. A smaller bed. So I probably will end up taking this bed and putting it in my room. So I'm gonna freaking try to move absolutely everything and set everything up, and then I'll vlog. 2 days later, we're all moved in. MTV Cribs, hello.
Hello.
Tell me about your room.
Welcome to my crib.
Your window's open, I think.
Oh no.
It's freaking cold in this house. We woke up this morning, it was fucking 50 degrees Celsius in here, or Fahrenheit. Finally getting it going, but here you go. Spare room, you know the vibe. Bro finally got in last night and we got home at 3 in the morning. Welcome to my room. What's up?
Why did you even do it over a crib?
For my YouTube. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. This house is absolutely insane and I absolutely hate it. Think I'm moving home, but this guy literally tells us we can move in and then the house is still for sale and someone's coming to look at it today. So if you see me vlogging back at home, that's why. We might be getting kicked out already. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, make sure to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe down below. I gotta go to work. Peace out. By the way, this is what I do at work. I walk around and sell stuff, so it's pretty sick.